Welcome to another episode of our New York City Driving Tour series. Today, we're embarking on a scenic drive through the heart of Manhattan, starting in the artistic neighborhood of Chelsea and winding our way through the vibrant streets of Midtown. Buckle up as we explore the rich tapestry of history, culture, architecture, and hidden gems that make this city truly unique. We begin our journey at the intersection of West 23rd Street and 11th Avenue, nestled in the Chelsea neighborhood. Chelsea has undergone a remarkable transformation over the years, evolving from an industrial hub to a thriving cultural and residential area. The High Line. Just to our right, the High Line stretches above us, a 1.45-mile long elevated park built on a former rail line. Opened in phases starting in 2009, it offers a unique perspective of the city with gardens, art installations, and panoramic views. Chelsea Market. To our left, Chelsea Market is a food lover's paradise. Housed in the former National Biscuit Company factory, it offers a diverse array of eateries and shops, attracting both locals and tourists alike. Art galleries. Chelsea is renowned for its vibrant art scene, boasting over 200 galleries showcasing contemporary art. This area has become a magnet for artists and art enthusiasts from around the world. Residential architecture. The neighborhood features a mix of historic brownstones, modern condos, and converted lofts, reflecting its industrial past and artistic present. Turning left onto West 18th Street, we enter a block that tells the story of 19th century Manhattan. Before we hit the road, quick reminder. If you enjoy NYC driving tours, give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe. Alright, let's cruise. This stretch of West 18th Street is home to a rare collection of late 19th century brick stables. Built between 1864 and 1866, these structures were designed in the Rundbogenstil style, characterized by arched openings and stone detailing. They served as private carriage houses for wealthy residents of the area. At 331 West 18th Street stands the William G. Sutherland House, a Greek Revival-style home built in the 1850s. Originally the residence of a shoemaker, it later became known for housing the Animal Talent Scout Shelter, a unique agency that provided animal actors for films and advertisements. Architectural significance. These buildings are among the few surviving examples of their kind in Manhattan, offering a glimpse into the city's architectural evolution. Next, we're heading up 6th Avenue, also known as Avenue of the Americas. This is where old meets new, with historic landmarks rubbing shoulders with sleek skyscrapers. As we approach 23rd Street, the iconic Flatiron Building comes into view. Completed in 1902, its distinctive triangular shape has made it one of the most photographed buildings in New York City. Snap a pic if you're ever here. Just east of here lies Madison Square Park, a green oasis surrounded by historic buildings and home to the original Shake Shack, a popular spot for locals and visitors. Further uptown, 6th Avenue is lined with cultural institutions such as the Rubin Museum of Art, showcasing Himalayan and Indian art, and the museum at the Fashion Institute of Technology offering exhibitions on fashion and design. The avenue features a mix of architectural styles from Beaux-Arts to modern glass towers, reflecting the city's dynamic growth. Located at 151 West 34th Street, Macy's Herald Square is the largest department store in the United States, occupying over 2.5 million square feet. Opened in 1902, it has become a landmark in its own right. Just a block away, the Empire State Building towers above the skyline. Completed in 1931, it was the tallest building in the world until 1970 and remains an enduring symbol of New York City. To the west, Penn Station serves as a major transportation hub, connecting commuters to Amtrak, Long Island Railroad, and New Jersey Transit. Above it sits Madison Square Garden, known as the world's most famous arena, hosting concerts, sports events, and more. Nearby, the Hammerstein Ballroom at 311 West 34th Street offers a venue for concerts and events, while the Church of St. Michael at 424 West 34th Street provides a historic place of worship with stunning architecture. As we approach our final destination at West 34th Street, we enter the bustling heart of Midtown Manhattan. Thank you so much for joining me on this unforgettable tour from Chelsea to Midtown Manhattan. If you loved exploring with me, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell icon so you never miss an adventure. We've got even more amazing NYC drives coming your way, so stay tuned. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep living your best city life.